The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a marvel of engineering. Its precise alignment has puzzled scholars for centuries, reflecting the incredible knowledge of ancient Egyptians in astronomy and geometry. With each stone meticulously placed, this masterpiece not only served as a tomb, but also as a testament to their advanced understanding of the world around them. As the builders toiled under the sun, they relied on simple yet effective tools, such as plumb bobs and sighting rods, to ensure each stone was perfectly aligned. These instruments reflected their keen understanding of celestial bodies, guiding their hands as they constructed this monumental structure with astonishing precision. At night, the builders gazed up at a brilliant canopy of stars, aligning their work with the constellations, which they believed held divine significance. By tracking the movement of the sun, they meticulously marked angles and directions, ensuring that the Great Pyramid would stand in perfect harmony with the heavens for eternity.